Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix it. This account might include sensitive content here on X. All right. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Down here, as you can see, I have here my X app opened. Okay. Now, all you have to do in here is just go ahead over to your profile at the top left, tap on it. Now scroll all the way down until you find this section. Okay. Just scroll down, tap on settings and privacy. And here, tap on privacy and safety. Okay. If you can't see it right here on the app itself, all you have to do is just go ahead and open up your favorite browser, go to x.com, log into your account, and follow the same step. Okay. And here, tap on content you see, and tap on sensitive media. Just tap on it. Now, as you can see here, we have graphic violence, adult content, and other. All you have to do is just tap on each. You can go ahead and show all. All right. Or never show this. Warn. Same options here. Okay. As you can see, that's it. That's how you fix this account might include sensitive content here on X. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.